Toso Drua, Toso.
To the cruise.
Toso Drua.
All the best, boys.
Toso Drua, mai, Toso Drua.
Who do you think will win the game tonight? Drua or the Crusaders?
Drua, boy, Drua.
Points. Points.
44. Yeah, 44.
Hola, my name is Solo.
Solo, what do you think about the Drua's chances tonight against the Crusaders in the quarterfinals?
Oh, it's looking bleak, but there's a lot of support for them. And this is the first time for Drua. Probably almost everyone in Fiji is behind them. It's going to be an exciting match. It's first time for everything, so it's going to be very exciting. But also being mindful of the Crusaders. Coming back for revenge, coming back for blood after their first loss, their first encounter. So it's going to be an exciting match. Drua's always come out on top. They've come across many obstacles. So we're looking forward to the game tonight. It's a day of reckoning for Drua, also for Fiji as well. And it's going to be a good experience for them. It's going to be a good exposure. They're going to learn a lot from this. Points. Woo. Points. Drua is going to win.
It's 50-50, but I'll go for the Drua. It's my team.
I see that you're in Drua colors.
Yes, I am. This is for the support for the Drua tonight. It's gonna be a close game, but my heart says it's the Drua. It's gonna be close, less than maybe 7 points. It's gonna be a penalty caught by Drua.
I cheer for Druas. I think the Drua will give thrashing to Crusaders.
Toso Drua, Toso.
O then ina nung win ang bongin ko, Crusaders and Drua.
Drua.
Napita na kay.
Rasulullah.
Okay. O then matenis ko.
Drua. Ang Drua na wini.
Napita na kay.
Nakai na Rasulullah da Drua. Na tinika tinika da Toso.
Toso.
Toso Drua, Toso Drua.